Hi, welcome to our channel Mad O Monkey. There is a phobia called ornithophobia. Do you know what is that? Come, let's understand its behavior, symptoms and many other things related to this. A phobia is an intense, exaggerated fear of a particular situation or thing. There are many types of specific phobias, and each has a unique name that's derived from Greek. Having a fear of birds is called ornithophobia. Phobias are one of the most common anxiety disorders. The National Institute of Mental Health, NIM, estimates that over 12% trusted source of adults in the United States experience a specific phobia at some point in their lives. If you have ornithophobia, you may experience intense anxiety when thinking about or being around birds. What causes ornithophobia? Phobias can develop at any age, although they often develop during childhood. What exactly causes specific phobias is still unclear. Some potential causes can include personal experiences. If you had a specific incident or negative experience involving birds, such as being attacked by a bird, you may develop a fear of them. Observational learning. If your parents or someone else close to you has ornithophobia, you may learn that fear from them. Information learning. Reading or hearing about a negative or dangerous situation involving birds may cause you to fear them. Genetics. We all process fear and anxiety differently. Some people may be born with a tendency to be more anxious than others. What are the symptoms? The symptoms of a specific phobia, such as ornithophobia, can be divided into two categories: psychological and physical. Psychological symptoms include an overwhelming feeling of anxiety or fear, an awareness that your fear or anxiety is exaggerated, but being unable to control it, feeling like you need to escape or run away, fearing that you're losing control. Physical symptoms include racing heartbeat, shaking or trembling, feeling short of breath, sweating, dry mouth, pain or tightness in your chest, nausea, dizziness. What do people with ornithophobia fear? A person with ornithophobia may be afraid of all birds or only certain types like birds of prey, hawks, or household birds, parakeets. Taxidermy birds or bird sculptures on display in homes, museums or other places. Photos or images of birds in movies or shows, including animated birds. Bird feathers. The sound of birds squawking or wings fluttering. What other phobias are associated with a fear of birds? People who fear birds may also have ailurophobia, fear of cats, anadotophobia, fear of ducks or geese, biophobia, fear of nature, dendrophobia, fear of trees where birds build nests, thanadophobia, fear of death, zoophobia, fear of animals. What is ornithophobia treatment? Mental health specialists like psychologists help people overcome phobias. You may benefit from cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT. During this form of psychotherapy, talk therapy, you explore the underlying cause of ornithophobia. CBT also teaches you how to use relaxation techniques to manage your fears. Exposure therapy, also called desensitization. During exposure therapy, you use relaxation techniques, while your therapist gradually exposes you to images of birds. Together, you and your therapist may work up to increasing your exposure to real birds. The goal is to gradually make you less fearful. Hypnotherapy. During hypnotherapy, your therapist places you into a hypnotic state to help you overcome memories, thoughts, and emotions related to the fear. Medications. Anti-anxiety drugs or antidepressants can help control symptoms as you go through therapy. Anti-anxiety medicines can help if you'll be in a situation, like at a park or zoo, where you expect birds to be present. Birds are everywhere in nature, making it impossible to avoid them entirely if you go outside. Staying inside to avoid bird encounters isn't healthy or practical. If you have ornithophobia as a result of a previous experience with birds, specialists can help you learn to think about birds differently and manage your reactions. With time, you'll be able to venture outside without being terrified of birds.